This is the blue list. Number 1, candy. I got to have a piece of candy because I had finished my dinner. Number 2 is chin. I bumped my chin on my desk when I leaned over to get my book. Number 3 is chop. I am going to chop nuts and add them to the banana bread. Chop. Number 4 is help. Hold the door so that you can help the others get inside the school. Help. Number 5 is have. I have 1 dog. Have. Number 6 is cabin. When we go camping, we'll stay in a cabin rather than a tent. Cabin. Number 7 is chick. I found a baby chick in the nest. Number 8 is hand. I put my hand in my glove because it was cold. Hand. Number 9 is cool. It was too cool to take the dog for a walk, so we played inside instead. Cool. Number 10 is chest. My chest hurt when I had a bad cold. Chest.